fascinating study of human motivation. The study of motivation has long captivated researchers and psychologists, delving into the intricacies of what drives human behavior. Motivation is the inner force that compels individuals to pursue goals, overcome challenges, and fulfill their desires. Understanding motivation is crucial for personal development, performance enhancement, and overall well-being. This comprehensive study aims to explore the various factors that influence motivation, ranging from intrinsic and extrinsic motivations to goal setting and the role of emotions. By unraveling the complexities of motivation, we can uncover the key to unlocking human potential and living more fulfilling lives. Section 1: Intrinsic Motivation. Intrinsic motivation refers to engaging in activities for the sheer joy and satisfaction they bring, without external rewards. This innate form of motivation fuels creativity, curiosity, and a sense of accomplishment. Researchers conduct experiments to observe participants pursuing activities they genuinely enjoy, such as hobbies, sports, or creative pursuits. The study reveals how intrinsic motivation leads to sustained efforts, improved performance, and greater overall well-being. Understanding how to nurture and harness intrinsic motivation can empower individuals to find passion in their endeavors and develop a lifelong love for learning and growth. Section 2: Extrinsic Motivation. Extrinsic motivation involves engaging in tasks to attain external rewards or avoid punishment. This study examines how incentives, recognition, and tangible rewards impact individuals' behavior. Participants are presented with challenges and incentives, enabling researchers to analyze the effect of external factors on motivation. While extrinsic motivation can drive short-term performance, it may not foster lasting dedication to a task. This section highlights the significance of striking a balance between intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, ensuring that external rewards complement, rather than overshadow, internal drives. Section 3: Goal Setting and Motivation. Goal setting plays a pivotal role in motivating individuals to achieve their objectives. By setting clear and achievable goals, individuals gain direction, focus, and a sense of purpose. Researchers explore how specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals influence motivation. The study analyzes how the challenge and attainability of goals impact individuals' persistence and commitment. Results demonstrate that well-defined goals enhance motivation and increase the likelihood of success. Section 4: The Role of Emotions in Motivation. Emotions deeply influence motivation. Researchers investigate the relationship between emotions, motivation, and decision-making. Positive emotions, such as enthusiasm and joy, are associated with increased motivation, while negative emotions, such as fear or anxiety, can hinder progress. The study examines strategies to manage emotions effectively, fostering resilience and perseverance in the face of challenges. Understanding the interplay between emotions and motivation equips individuals to maintain a positive and growth-oriented mindset. Conclusion: the study of motivation is a profound journey into the human psyche, illuminating the forces that drive our actions. By comprehending the complexities of intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, goal setting, and the role of emotions, we unlock the key to unlocking human potential and living fulfilling lives. This research empowers individuals and professionals alike to harness motivation as a catalyst for personal growth and success.